Not only can you visit the stunning palaces along the Danube, you can actually stay on one. Feel like one of the Habsburgs, from morning coffee beneath a crystal chandelier to evenings wrapped in hand-painted elegance. Hi, this is Allison with Straightaway Travel, coming to you from Vienna, Austria. Let's explore the Uniworld SS Maria Theresa. Launched in 2015, the SS Maria Theresa is a floating palace. Every inch is styled in Habsburg elegance, from ornate ceiling medallions to hand-painted wallpaper. It feels like stepping into a Viennese ballroom that just happens to sail down the Danube. Let's take a walk through some of my favorite spaces on board. You'll enter on the Schönbrunn deck and be greeted by a grand lobby, gold trim, Baroque details, and a sweeping staircase that makes you feel like royalty. The Baroque restaurant is equally stunning, serving regionally inspired dishes paired with wines from the area you're sailing through. Dinner here is an experience. Uniworld Boutique River Cruises is one of the most trusted names in luxury river cruising. They offer 19 beautifully designed ships sailing through Europe, Egypt, Asia, India, and South America, and the experience is truly all-inclusive. That means white glove service, gourmet meals with unlimited drinks, daily excursions, gratuities, and even airport transfers, no matter how you booked your flights. From the moment you board, everything feels polished, personal, and incredibly well thought out. Up on the Hofburg deck, Bar du Leopard might be my favorite hideaway. It's both chic and cozy, ideal for pre-dinner cocktails, live music, or catching up with new friends. Just around the corner, there is a quiet library and a beautiful indoor pool at the aft of the ship. It is surrounded by panoramic windows, and the privacy glass can even frost over as you approach. Elegance and innovation in one. Also on this deck is the Habsburg Salon. This is the ship's social heart. By day, it's perfect for relaxing with a cappuccino or enjoying a lecture. By night, it comes alive with cocktails, music, and local entertainment. Most ships on the Danube are built to the same size due to lock and bridge restrictions, but what's inside makes all the difference. Take Viking, for example. They typically sail with 190 guests on a ship the same size as the Maria Theresa. Uniworld's SS Maria Theresa, just 150 guests. What this means for you is more space to stretch out, fewer lines, a more relaxed boutique vibe, and staff who know your name and how you take your coffee. It feels less like a hotel and more like a private estate. Down on the Bavarian deck, you'll find a small but well-equipped fitness center, perfect for squeezing in a quick workout between excursions or stretching out after a day of sightseeing. And just steps away is one of the ship's hidden gems, the Viennese Cafe. This charming little coffee shop feels like a cozy corner of Vienna itself, with delicate pastries, rich espresso, and light bites served throughout the day. There's even a movie theater on board, the Lippizan Theater. Whether it's a film or a travel documentary, it's the perfect spot to unwind. And yes, they even serve popcorn. For pampering, visit the Serenity River Spa. Indulge in massages, facials, and more, all using Rituals products. And for fresh air, head up to the Dur Sun Deck, perfect for lounging, sightseeing, or enjoying a glass of wine as the sun sets. Who doesn't love to talk about food? Dining with Uniworld is unforgettable. Meals reflect the regions you're sailing through. Austrian schnitzel, Hungarian goulash, or fresh apple strudel, always with local ingredients. And if you're a picky eater, no worries. Classic options are always available. Everything's included: wine, cocktails, cappuccinos, and even afternoon tea. And if you're celebrating something special, you can upgrade one night to the Diamond menu, with premium pairings and elegant surprises. But honestly, the standard offerings already feel luxurious. It's elevated, personalized, and never rushed. Excursions with Uniworld are included at every stop. Think walking tours, wine tastings, museum visits, and bike rides. Want something extra? The Masterpiece Collection includes behind-the-scenes access and private events for an additional fee. Wi-Fi is included, gratuities are included, and airport transfers covered, no matter how you book. The staff-to-guest ratio is what really sets Uniworld apart. With fewer guests on board, service feels personal, intuitive, and seamless. The SS Maria Theresa offers 5 stateroom categories, all styled to match the ship's opulence. You have classic staterooms, which are 162 square feet with river-level views, or these are also known as the Swan View rooms. The French balcony rooms are 194 square feet with windows that open at the touch of a button. Your deluxe balcony rooms are 305 square feet, with added space in a sitting area. The suites, which are 410 square feet, feature butler service and Nespresso machines. And the Grand Suite, with a separate living room, in-room breakfast, complimentary laundry, and full butler service, is the pinnacle of luxury. All rooms feature handcrafted Savoy beds, marble bathrooms, and top-tier amenities. Every Uniworld ship is different, designed by local artisans to reflect its region. On board the SS Maria Theresa, you'll find hand-painted wallpaper, crystal chandeliers, period furniture and fine textiles, and custom-designed china and linens. It's a floating work of art, not just a ship. At Straightaway Travel, we specialize in river cruising, and our services come at no additional cost to you. We'll help you choose the perfect itinerary, ship, and stateroom. As our client, you'll be treated like a VIP from day one. We handle the details and advocate for you behind the scenes, making the process effortless. Luxury, simplicity, expertise, all complimentary. Why just visit the palaces along the Danube when you can stay on one? Let Straightaway Travel help you sail like royalty aboard the SS Maria Theresa. Impeccable service, fewer guests, more luxury. Let's plan your river cruise. Thank you for watching.